Welcome to Day 2 of the World of Sound 30-Day Challenge. Before we listen to our new sound, let's tune in. Please close your eyes and take a deep breath. What sounds do you hear? Are they high-pitched or low-pitched? Can you notice any more subtle sounds? Now, let's take another deep breath. Today's sound is new, but was recorded in the same location as yesterday's. See what you can notice. Listen closely. This was an underwater recording from the Mesoamerican Coral Reef. Tune in tomorrow for Day 3 of the World of Sound 30-Day Challenge.